Hi, this is Matt with Holly Home Inspections. With the housing market the way it currently is, we're hearing of a lot of buyers that are choosing to waive their home inspections and their home inspection rights because they want to get in on that deal. They want that house so bad, they're willing to risk everything for the house. Well, in today's home, when I open this fuse box up here, there is several wires in here that are oversized for the fuses. There's double lugged fuses. There's double lugged neutrals. There is multiple fairly significant safety issues inside this fuse box that are very large fire hazards. Luckily, this buyer had a home inspection. If they had waived the right for this home inspection, they would not have discovered these safety and potential fire hazards until after they moved into the house. And then they would have been looking at anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 just to upgrade the service panel. There's multiple other issues we found in the house, bad foundation and all kinds of stuff, but the service panel is one they would have never found without a home inspection. So keep in mind when you're thinking about waiving your home inspection rights, that when you do that, you take on the potential of anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in repairs that you will be liable for yourself. Please, whatever you do, have a home inspection. No matter where you are in the country, have your inspection done. And if you're in the St. Louis and or the Metro East area, call Holly Home Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.